Pandas percentage count on a DataFrame groupy. I have a DataFrame, myth, along the lines of the following. I am trying to calculate the true and false percentages of the feature for each ID, 0 or 1, and I am looking for 2 output for each ID. I have tried a few attempts, but I start getting counts for all columns and then a percentage for all columns. Here's my bad attempt. Think I am getting mixed up with the groupy/index format.
Could be just this.
You could also use the Tableon package for this. Create the sample data frame. Input. Output.
You can use pd.crosstab.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.